Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Honkai Star Rail login error. So to do that, there are several ways to do that, but here are a few of the easiest ones. So what you need to do, you first of all need to tap on the star search bar, and then you just need to open this application which is run. So once you opened it, you just need to put in this URL over there. So I will just put this in my description and you need to click on OK. So that game is not installed in my PC right now, so it is not playing, but once it is opened up in your PC, you just need to delete the star rail folder and then you need to reopen the game again. Maybe restart your PC and then open the game again, and if the problem still persists, what you can do is that you need to head over to the you need to just type in the regedit on your star search bar, which will open up this registry editor over here. Now you need to head over to the software section and you need to right click on the Cognosphere and the mihoyo sdk folders, and then you need to delete both of them, and then you just need to open up the game again, and that will probably solve the problem. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel.